24/7.
Oh,
I was just about to ask, before this Fredrin first pick comes up, given their success in Game 3 with the slowing down of the gameplay and just having a little bit more macro-centric tempo, are we gonna go? Are we returning to that world?
it seems like it, but again, it's perplexing to me because the Freya was also open and they didn't pick it up. The Juicin, they prioritized the Fredrin out of all heroes. Falcons need to cook up a crazy draft here or they're gonna get flamed, man.
Yeah, because still, say what you will and consider everything that's happened in series so far.
Yep.
Absolute truths. You gotta mention, Freya is still nuts.
Yeah.
Freya is still pretty Brizzity broken.
Yeah. And
Brizzity broken.
Brizzity broken. And without the Eve here too, you're sort of out of answers for the Freya to try and manage it. You have to go for something like Burst or just get Haji on a Kimi now. But the Valentina is still going to be open, but you don't see enough picks to pick it up.
Yeah.
Are they going to save their mid lane pick for later?
Ken, thank you Ken ya sudah memposisi 1 di sini top gift di TikTok. Gokil ya. Buat kalian juga thank you banget yang sudah tap-tap sudah 1,3 juta tap-tap bro. Gokil top global tap-tap bejir.
Over my head. She doesn't really dominate.
Whoa.
Most Phobies can manage it.
Anjing, Insan Shin so si Goat.
Decent Shin.
They're going deep.
Yeah.
Not a Leomore, not a Harley.
Kita sebut ya.
Have we seen this? When was the last time we saw?
Kita harus apresiasi yang global tap-tap di sini guys.
Don't know.
Top gifternya ada Ken, ada Dion, ada murid R7, ada Aminge Silit.
Shin, because even the Freya, you're not sure where that's going.
Yeah, that's true.
Silit?
That's true.
The Mountain Shocker. I think it would benefit Liquid if they wanna.
Mana top global tap-tapnya?
Ideal.
Top global tap-tap ada Dion,
Yeah.
You put YS.
Aminge Silit, Mieno Huna, Asel, Ari Irman, Zahra, Chengs, Yami, Muhammad Asri dan juga Okira ya.
Nerf what Sanford wants to do.
Yeah.
Top giftnya ada Ken, Dion, murid R7, Aminge Silit, Ruzi.
Falcons right now.
Because again, we don't know where things are landing yet.
Apa tuh?
There's also a
Mas
chance.
Wali malam baru nonton lagi, baru sehat nih. By the way, kapan main Masya lagi mas? Kangen gue liat Masya lu Steel Lord.
EXP.
Udah nggak bisa kayak Steel Lord kayak gitu ya. Mas mau nanya jawab deh Sora, kalau udah late game dan gak ada yang bisa di-kill pakai ulti petir dan gak ada Lord Turtle harus ngapain ya? Gue mondar-mandir mulu setiap main Sora. Ngevlog aja mas, ngevlog ya kalau mondar-mandir ya. Ulti putih lah, cari momentum, nge-stun musuh biar temannya bantai.
That's why I think almost you have the Gatakacha available since the Hylos is going to be one that they take out. Team Falcons will ban that out. Because I think even a Revitalize would really help them if it's going to be a Revitalize roamer for JP. Unless they end up bringing out just something else other than the Hylos, other than...
Wow, 2 juta dari Vio Querens. Pesan, buat jajan bareng libur-libur tetap restream semangat ya.
Against Falcons?
Yeah.
No.
Buat jajang bareng tim libur-libur 2 juta.
And even just generally how Falcons have been playing, I think the show might actually hurt them. Let's see, Liquid, who the heck is that?
That looks like Aaron.
Is that Burrito?
That's Aaron Paul Gaddy. That's
Oh,
Burrito.
that's Burrito?
Oh my god, that's
APG.
Burrito.
Oh no, they've started it.
And he can't even fight back.
Gila Kavio.
Yeah. I'm looking at him right now. He has no idea. All right, last ban here. Are they still going to hone in on the roams for JP? Again, he could just end up with the Gatakacha.
Kavio kan nggak semua moderatornya Jakarta, gimana nih dibagiin aja Kavio?
Then there's no more healing trifecta. If they don't take
Tiba-tiba Haryo Damar ada gitu ya.
the only revitalize.
Kalau mabar kayak gitu-gitu jarang nongol, kampret lu ya Haryo ya. Bagian ada duit aja lu nongol ya.
Then yeah, they go damage.
But they're all dive.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be Gatot ban. Oh no, Terizla. I thought I read the lips of Coach Moody as saying Gatot Hacha. Turns out it was Terizla. Okay.
Enak aja gue selalu ada ya. Benar ya?
Of the hero in the mid and the fact that Terizla going into the EXP lane would have
Dibagiin aja Kavio nih atau gimana nih buat moderator nih?
kind of soft stuck in
Angelina lagi absen hari ini, tetap dikasih kah?
the EXP with it being uncomfortable. Still, Sora's open if they want to, but then again with the Phobies around.
Yep.
Oke guys, kita masuk ke game yang keempat antara TLPH melawan Falcon PH ya.
So far, it seems like they saw them in the draft.
Jangan lupa cuma Subaya ini
Still a 50-50.
lagi chip, lagi jadi mode chip ini.
But that was a big part of the problem for them, those first two games, was solving the draft first. There it is, TL will go ahead and grab Sanford.
Tuh, lihat guys, Kavio guys.
Now you have an idea, right?
Baik banget guys, Kavio guys.
Yep, that's it.
Obviously that
Tim gua,
makes the
moderator
picture
gua
more
dikasih uang sama dia.
Red 4 suddenly they're honest.
Yeah. Still, that bodes really badly for Falcons.
Berkah-berkah selalu ya Kavio ya.
Up against all this dive.
Pokoknya
consider picking up the Zed.
berkali-kali lipat rezekinya ya.
Crowd control should be able to temper them, but that you need a strong roam mid so that the Zetian doesn't fall behind quickly. With all of the dives, with no Valentine on the board, consider an Atlas for Ogwin. Atlas
Owner komisinya lebih gede berarti ya. Owner komisinya lebih gede ya. Lilia.
Okay.
This is not what I was expecting.
Yuzong Sanford ya, kita lihat ya.
They need a little bit more reliable damage output
Yeah.
to make sense of what they're doing on the map.
Does the matchup with this, I mean, at least against the Jushin, play a similar part, or it can keep up? The glue is going to be the answer, by the way, with TLPH in the last pick.
Yeah, should be able to keep up the most iconic Lilia game that we've seen where a
Wow. Nih ku tambahin kalau kurang.
Ditambahin lagi 500k dari Kavio, cu.
aggressively on the ground to make sure that the Juice
Angelin,
wouldn't be able to control the mid as comfortably.
Aryo Damar.
Look up here for both compositions.
Dah,
Purifies.
satu lagi nggak usah disebut lah.
This is going to be a slaughter fest here, I think, for both to get through to this point. There was a sticking point for Team Falcons.
Satu lagi nggak usah disebut lah. Tahu lah satu lagi siapa.
They've managed to get through it by a little bit. Now can they equalize the series? The Champions Arena looks like there's life now on Team Falcon's side here. Hopefully they can get another game under their belt and bring us closer to that full series.
Angelin, Arya, Diva, Aryo Damar.
It's really going to be very determinant on how the Atlas and the Glue play against each other.
Gua 5.
Marco again, going to be a very demanding game for him, honestly. Love the picks that you have.
2,5 bagi 5, 500.000 per orang. Komisi streamer, gua 700 ready.
So Haji and Ogwin.
Deal nggak? Kalau nggak dibagi nih.
As much as they can, similar to what they did in the previous game.
Whoop. Already a little bit of a skirmish in mid. Haji put down a third of his health. But this will send Sanji home. Unless, oh no, he's just break sliding and staying.
Yeah, one of the advantages
Wow,
there.
1 juta. Dari Vio Querens. Pesan khusus buat owner nih.
Anjir! Owner sendiri dikasih, bro.
JP making his way through. They
1 juta buat owner.
things too. Lilia, like we saw earlier in the
Oh my god, gue bingung banget kalau udah kayak gini, guys.
out a little bit better from more of a safety.
Oh my god.
With Lilia, once you get the black.
Owner beda ya, Kavio ya.
He said that you can
Owner beda ya.
some of the resources out of TF.
Oh, look at that perfect.
Lu udah aman. Ngapain lu kesini lu? Duit lu kesini lu. Tadi merah dari mana ini? Hijau ngawur lu. Duit lu kesini lu. Diva ada duit kesini. Mana ada ini lancar kok.
Good using Purify.
Uh-oh. Haji, put down to the 5th again. Kartizi all.
Kenapa kalau nyebrang jalan harus lihat kanan kiri? Kalau lihat kamu, aku salting. Ya elah Bondan, gelok banget. Fokus dulu guys ke game-nya.
That's deep. Defensive use. Oh, the Valkyrie's descent.
Makasih ya Kavio sekali lagi ya. W on the chat guys, Kavio Quares guys, yang selalu mensupport gua, tim gua, dan kalian juga guys. Dia suka bagi-bagi, gila, wah luar biasa. W Kavio W.
How did he get so delayed?
Mas nanti minta analisis Yuzong Sanford ya, lagi demam main Yuzong.
But Kyle, just was green camp short of being able to hit level 4.
Analisis 10.000 bah.
This is interesting though too, just because we haven't seen the YSS in the jungle too much, you know, and in this case the matchup between the YSS and the Fredrin, you know, you have back-to-back games for Carl Teasy on the Fredrin from game 1 to game 2, now you've got back-to-back for Kyle from 3 to 4.
Oh, they both hurt.
Ya sabar, belum kelihatan ini Yuzongnya guys. Nanti lihat di turtle-nya, belum kelihatan ini.
Instead uses regeneration.
Yang jelas mah Yuzongnya cuma naga, kalau turtle-nya darahnya setengah.
It's slow, but it's still
Itu
fast.
doang, kalian tuh penggunaan Yuzong naga itu darah setengah. Oh, cek!
Sanji draws first blood.
Kena Suksin into kapal Insansin, bro. Abis.
Cross from you. There's always that potential to kind of cause some chaos in those team fights, and then before you know it, you're being brought back, and then you can't escape.
Hogan looked disappointed in himself that he gave away such a meaningless kill.
Not to mention using the flicker.
Yeah.
Committed the flicker as well.
Berarti Haryo Damar menjadi moderator aktif ya. Kalau sampai ada absen berarti gue cabut moderatornya ya.
More about a minute and a half or so for this, but
Ada duit nongol lu ya.
make a play. They
Awas
do
lu.
get the beacon out from Sanji. So that's one of the strengths of the Fredrin. You know, you can kind of swoop in, try to get that energy eruption off. That doesn't happen.
Tandain area ya.
Very not much happening in the early game, but despite it all, TL builds a bit of a lead.
With not much happening, I'm expecting at least Kyle to have good pathing. It seems like more than once now he's gone back and forth.
Yeah, it's just too fast with how Carl Teasy is farming that Kyle doesn't have.
Yang judo guys. Jangan dona dulu ya.
Taking away a green
Gak jelas nih.
there. Yeah, so much more easier and so much faster for a YSS to farm. Now with a Hunter Strike rush by Carl TZ, this could actually be a big win for Team Liquid Philippines if Carl TZ can hit a big stun.
Turtle number 2. Started up by Liquid.
Lihat ya.
Slight pull.
Sanford turtle setengah naga pasti.
Considering should
Pasti.
engage, Ogwen does not have
Gameplay dia
just
strict
yet.
guys main Yuzong guys.
Holding on to the fatal links. Sanford comes through from the top.
Tuh.
And in comes the Black Dragon form. Looking for targets. Turtle very low. Into the back line. Carl easy.
Kalau kalian bingung cari timingnya kapan naga main Yuzong, darah turtle setengah. Karena musuhnya pasti maju guys. Mau nggak mau kontes. Kadang ada yang lepas juga, kalau lepas ya udah tinggal mundur.
Plus the turtle, it's all Liquid.
Surprising to me that Flap still went into the backline of TLPH, went into their formation.
Aku tidak pernah menyarankan jual beli akun sih mas.
Oakland did ended up getting some
Tapi ya good luck ya.
but they don't have the damage just yet for the rest of the members of Team Liquid Philippines. Yes, Haji is hurting Sanji, but with Glue, with the Yuzhong, it's not enough.
Oh, attempt down here. Push him off the tier 1 up top. Kyle's going to swoop in. They want to fight this one out. Looks like they're on Sanji. Is he going to be able to get away here? He doesn't have the Purify.
He already used it up, and now Ogwen looking for it. Not necessary. Just the freeze. We're going to finish the job, and they put a kill on a Marco.
Yeah, now they cut because JP and Teddy are forced to try and take that Flap against Carl.
Uh-oh.
Gila dimajuin sama si God.
Brothers. And Flap gets on out of there.
They're just saying hi, you know? Former teammates at one point. No kill secured there.
Will be teammates again.
Pak, 2,5-nya gue transfer lo ya. Lo yang tolong bantu ini disebarin ke Angelin, Arya, sama Haryo Damar ya.
I'm just saying, you know,
Iya benar.
big part of this on this Phobius. He's got to be that front line for this team. Obviously, a lot inside Ogwen, but I think, as we usually see with the Atlases so far, you know, not only that Fatal Links kind of being the big setup, but you've got to burn.
Dia sebar berapa persen?
From Sanji and Teddy if you can.
Udahlah, Arya aja yang ngurus lah. Ini ngelunjak nih guys, moderator satu ini.
Right into Marco's face. Marco running through it. Sanji comes in from the flank, takes him down. 2v1, successful gank.
I guess that's what we were talking about when we mentioned earlier. Carl TZ said he wanted to see a little more spunk from Teddy. Well, there it is. He's quite aggressive.
Turtle spawn. Ada naga, kita lihat lagi Sanford bro.
Rotating topside. There would be a
Kayaknya udah free sih ini, nggak bakal di naga ini kalau udah free mah.
by Liquid.
Soalnya 2 nongol di bawah guys, nggak bakal naga guys.
For the turtle. Hat trick for the cavalry. Very little from Falcons.
This is such a weird pacing that we're seeing right now in this game.
Dapat, tolong cek ya.
Kyle in trouble.
JP
Tolong dibagiin langsung accept ya.
Kyle gets squished.
Gila targetingnya anjing langsung ke Super Marco, Sanford cok.
Very bad underneath.
Depannya mati tapi JP-nya lah.
JP gets taken down. Haji scores. Valkyrie's descent coming through.
Maksa ini jelek ini buat LPH nih.
Infernal pursuit, and he goes for another one. Flap flickers back. Just too much damage from Liquid's front line.
Yeah, good thing he didn't commit that. He would not have survived. Then it would have
Beda target bro.
JP though, of course, went down as he was absorbing the hits from the turret. Team Liquid Philippines. I think Carl TZ specifically just out-rotated Kyle in the jungle. Hurt Falcons in the long run.
Oh, they're on 40. Ogwen and Marco.
No Dragon.
And Marco gets it.
That's what they need. Marco might be one of the cases again, just like we saw in the previous game, where they're going to rely on this carry to scale up the way they are.
Oh, Sanji sniffed him out, stopping Marco and Ogwen's Rico. And that's it. Lantern Flare, 6.
Tidak ada Purify, auto dikejar ya. Karena Purify-nya sudah dibuang oleh Sunford tadi, bro. Di Petri, di biru sama dia.
Super Marco and Ogun didn't realize that they could just.
Apakah mereka memang sudah melakukan one step ahead kayak gitu guys ya? Perang di tengah tadi ya?
I don't
Bisa
think
jadi.
they're not exactly reading JP's and Sanji's rotations right now.
Yeah, this puts TLPH now up almost 3,000 gold, approaching that point. Very low kill game, but it's more so a game across the map is what we're seeing here. This will all lead into that first Lord take. Once it's up, you're thinking Team Falcon's in a position to actually go ahead and contest it. You know, you got two big items for Super Marco, but if he's caught out without the Purify, as we've seen, there's just a little bit too much crowd control to deal with here from Team Liquid, especially once again dealing with a Jushin in the hands of Sanji.
Really feels like that YSS was a checkmate response to the Fredrin jungle, just with rotational speed alone. And of course with Karl'Tezi being proactive. Okay, Fatal Links used, but Sanji uses Purify for that.
1-for-1. Can Falcons even use it to
langsung ulti ya Sanji ya?
They pull out a Crimson
Gila.
Beacon out of Sanji.
That's actually pretty
Freelord
good
kah?
for Falcons.
Tidak perlu naga kah?
Now, TL still
Freelord
has
sih,
control
Karingnya nongol bawah guys,
of
nggak mungkin naga.
Marco in it. I guess that's enough information for TL just to blitz down the Lord.
Sebenarnya main Yuzong itu cuma gitu-gitu aja guys. Maksudnya kayak lu targeting, lu di objektif tuh ada, lihat baca gerakan musuhnya, mau konten atau enggak, tinggal naga gitu doang sih guys.
Team Falcons, no
Mau diajarin juga, karena setiap game itu sikonnya berbeda, ngerti nggak sih? Gue cuma ngejelasin gimana caranya nggunain naganya aja. Jadi emang harus kayak lu yang dapat feel-nya, ngerti nggak sih? Itu hero tuh nggak bisa gimana ya? Ya sama aja kayak Lapu kalau objektif gitu, targeting, kapan gunain ultinya, semua hero lah.
Teddy's applied the right amount of
Gue yakin kalau misalnya emang lu udah bisa nge-timingin kalkulasi seperti itu, jago pasti kalian main
He's
XP guys.
just doing what needs to be done where he goes. And that's what made the map so small for Falcons now. Oh, Mountain Shocker. Liquid
Pada-
saying we want this tier 1.
Pada kebakaran, males udah, cek leaderboard bro.
Valkyrie's descent, Sanji gets taken down. And now, there's another one in JP. Falcons are running it. Sanford very low. Glooms underneath that half dragon.
Karinya.
Finds him double kill for Bulletproof.
Mahal
And that's a
banget.
3 for none the punish on the tier 1 push.
Talk about greedy, but still the tower up top is going to get pushed in by the Lord. Karl'Tezi is getting chased by Kyle.
Okay, they send Flat to take care of the marching pusher. And in mid, they continue. Kyle versus Carl, the man-to-man. In comes Teddy
Carl.
with a Valkyrie's Ascent, Mount Sugar. Teddy,
Rada gila ya, God ya.
Carl gets taken down between 3 members of Falcons.
Diloncatin bejir, pemberani si A euy.
Plan was there, but it was stopped in its tracks by Ogwin and the rest of Team Falcons.
Super Marco popped his Purify so that when he would get hit by the turtle boat, and it did, he would not get stunned. He'd take the damage, but at least he still got the free hit. And of course, a momentary taunt as well coming out from Kyle was perfect.
And again,
Energy eruption, right?
yep, energy eruption.
Just remembered it now.
He erupted the energy, man. That was just good defense for Super Marco. That's why we were saying earlier for this game as well. They want to go ahead and lean towards Super Marco on this carry to actually carry through the game, get to that point. So now it's them trying to put pressure on the purple buff of Karl'Tezi, but he is going to go ahead and secure it. They will disengage from that. Look at the positioning from Sanford here. It's TL playing in a different way in this one. They sort of have to. That's what we're seeing them throughout this game. They can't just brunt force.
Nonton masih udah pegang kanan. Ini sih
Team Falcons.
They can do it against the 6 other franchises in the league, but not against Falcons, not against
target
the biggest
Yuzongnya
rival.
ke siapa ini di game ini? Kari doang ya. Tapi Karinya nggak mungkin bisa dibunuh sama Yuzong sendiri guys. Apalagi itemnya cuma Fury Hammer, Domi, Pauldron.
EXP. You cannot go full commit into Lord fights with Kyle 2 levels down to Karl.
Harus kiting main front to back ini.
That's why I think Falcons are now gonna have to take the next few moments, seeing if
Gak tau ya dude, gue lebih suka Yuzong ulti yang dulu sih. Emang ulti yang dulu kayak gimana anjir?
odd pick or two.
Bye-bye.
Recover.
Apa yang membedakan ulti Yuzong dulu sama sekarang? Sama aja nggak sih?
Because retro battles are just gonna favor Karl'Tezi.
Oh,
Gonna go for Teddy. They're collapsing over on Teddy on the bottom side.
yang OP banget ya dulu. Dulu mah terlalu OP nggak sih kalau kayak gitu?
Teddy wants to keep putting pressure.
Yang awal keluar ya bye-bye.
AP goes to potentially support him, but they'll keep Teddy there.
And Karl'Tezi will
Yang knockback parah.
top for Falcons to deal with as they seem to pivot straight for the Lord push.
Yeah, both side lanes being pushed. Is this a clear?
Nabraknya bisa berkali-kali iya.
And they're
Pasifnya
going
gampang banget
a third
aktif
of the
dulu.
Lord down. Mount Shocker.
Kalau sekarang kan harus diputerin dulu kan. Kalau dulu tuh nempel tuh nyala terus kan itu pasifnya.
And now they collapse onto JP. Flap takes him down. Crimson Beacon out of Sanji. Already used the Purify. And Marco throws out these light wheels like there's no tomorrow. Sanford backs off.
Oh
2
my God.
kills for the Lord.
Again, you're seeing Team Liquid make the decision to, hey, zone them out while I secure the objective.
Dua sama ini
They
makanya nih.
want to.
Wih, di flicker.
Carl DZ compromised by
Wow.
plus a stop, serving up a kill to
Wow, itu anjing.
Do you know what this feels like? It feels like I'm watching Hachi back with Blacklist.
Oh man.
Oh my God, akankah?
Style.
Dua sama, bro.
Now the tier 3 turret in the mid lane of the base of TL is going to go
Wow.
down.
Crazy bro.
Falcons demolished
Anjing dibawa ke situ Lordnya.
like it was nothing.
It was nothing, man. They can still got to deal with the Lord, but the Lords that TL has been taking pretty much resulted in nothing.
Because again, Falcons are so much better in the defense. They have a great counter punch. And they're playing around Marco. It's a Falcon flavored Ube. No healing, but it's just playing for your main core, not cores, core. With a Fredrin at the heart of it all.
Yeah.
Hey, it's like getting to that core of the kunafa.
Yeah.
What's a kunafa?
It's a Saudi Arabian delicacy.
Oh, is that the trending chocolate?
It's the one with pistachio. It is pistachio, but
Yeah.
it's different.
One of these days, I'm going to try, what is that? Chewy cookie. The Dubai chewy
That's
cookie.
Dubai.
Isn't that the same thing? Kunafa?
No.
Okay, well,
A few Habibis have just
Susah sih.
Habibi, what?
Gua
sorry.
nggak bisa bayangin ini karingnya kesentuh kayak gimana
being
guys.
educated on how Team Falcons has been able to maintain this game on a defensive lineup to protect Super Marco.
Lu harus ngelewatin Lilia, lu harus ngelewatin Atlas bro, ngelewatin Popheus nih manusia ungu ini.
On the Lilia is he's just enough to go ahead and
Karinya sih
whittle
harusnya di
down
game
the
ini
outdoors, and
God
even
ya. Kecuali JP bener-bener bisa loncat ke Kari bro.
he's hurting these tankier members of Team
Itu pun ngelewatin rintangannya banyak banget yang gue sebutin tadi guys.
Really quick. There's not enough time for Teddy to do Teddy things on this Freya. This is one of the difficult things about the Freya comes into the late game. Yeah, she really hurt.
Freya late game tuh nggak terlalu gimana ya guys.
Trying to take down, and as long as Falcons keep their formation,
Kunafa dibahas apa itu anjir Kunafa?
they should be able to coast. This is going to be again another long game, as we've discussed. The potential of that happening over and over again, with Fredrin making a big comeback for this series.
And it's just poetic because Haji also flourished in the macro-centric era.
Yeah, that's why I said it feels like I'm watching Haji back with Blacklist. How many times have we seen Blacklist in the past where it's like, oh, they're losing the early game, the other team's getting everything.
Yeah.
Nope, you get the Lord, but we get you guys, we're getting bodies, and we get your tower and base.
Nah gitu dong AI. Judul-judul tuh ke band anjing.
Just cannot go up against.
That was also Team Falcons though, like when they were even previously Falcons AP brand
That's
and
also
when they
true.
were AP.
Ngehe nih judul-judulnya pakai numerik-numerik.
They master that
Nggak ke-detect
macro
AI jadinya.
gameplay, you know, I think that was a big point of why they even were able to win a world championship for M5. So you can see them, they're setting up around this Lord, they've got this dance figured out. TL, do they want to approach this? Teddy is swinging
Lihat JP, lihat JP, lihat JP, JP benar-benar harus ke Kari guys.
Comes through, clashing with that dragon.
Lah kenapa tuh cok?
The fight continues. Flat with the winner crown, the freeze. Fatal link. Super Marco still.
Nggak bisa kan? Karinya nggak kesentuh guys. Lu lihat karinya guys.
It's all about Marco, baby.
Habis. Dua sama.
Haji, down goes Teddy.
Gila, Falcon melawan bos.
How does this keep happening?
It looks like Falcons have found their new code!
They're inside.
Gak bisa recall, percuma juga ya, gak bakal bisa defend juga. Gila. Anjay, remontada kah? Apakah 4